solved problems. Membership fee account problem. You are provided with the following extract from the statement of receipts and payments for the year ended 30th June 2022 for Star Bakers Club. Statement of receipts and payments for the year ended 30th June 2022. Receipts. Entrance fee 2022 40,000. Income from baking festivals 14,400. Income from equipment rentals 7,500. Interest on investment 2,645. Membership fee for the year 2021, 2022, 2023 106,400. Payments. Salaries 55,000. Staff refreshments and stationery 5,240. Additional information. 1. Membership fees received in 2021 relating to 2022 amounted to 6,000. 2. Membership fees owing at 30th June 2021 amounted to 1,400. Membership fees owing at 30th June 2022 amounted to 1,800. Membership fees received in 2022 for 2023 amounted to 15,000. Membership fees received in 2022 for 2021 amounted to 1,000. Required. Prepare only the membership fees account for 2022. Solution. Membership fees for the year 2021, 2022 and 2023 106,400 collected during June 2002. 2. 1. Add membership fees for 2022 received in 2021 6,000. 2. Less membership fees for 2021 received in 2022 minus 1,400. Add membership fees for 2022 not yet received 1,800. Less membership fees for 2023 received in 2022 minus 15,000. Less membership fees for 2021 received in 2022 minus 1,000. So finally the membership fees for the year 2022 is 96,800. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.